Yeah, it's just kind of it's just weird. So we have an MX-13, that one actually right there, an older one with the, we need to put it. PACCAR calls them a PCI, right? POS. PACCAR, right? You spend all this money on the Davy 4 software, right, to be able to do updates and this and that, whatever. And then I'm not sure if because of the EPA, California, I don't know what it is, right? But so you get a brand new PCM from, whoever you get it from. Um, then you can't program it with the Davy 4 software. You need this password. So you go online, a bunch of people struggling with the same situation. Online, regulars like, oh, call your dealership. They should be able to give you that password, the override password to, put the software to write the PCM. So we call the people, the Inland Kenworth, the people that we get the stuff from, and it's all sketchy. Like, okay, well, let me find out whatever. And then like, yeah, you're gonna have to bring out the PCM and the older PCM and this and that, whatever. And it's like, okay, let me see. So I called PACCAR directly, right? They're like, yeah, we give those codes to the dealerships, but your dealership, call your dealership. The guy said, hey, you know what? When you buy this PCM, it should basically just be included. Like, you get the override code, they'll put in for an override code, and then you get it and they give it to you. So I called back our rep and all that, right, or whatever, and he says, yeah, well, you have to bring it down, and the mechanic, the technician takes time. It takes time to. I'm like, okay, well, it takes time to put the VIN into the computer and get the whatever. I'll pay you for it. That's fine, right? I'll pay for it. Get that going, so that way PACCAR said you guys should be able to do that. So, and then the stuttering starts, right? Well, yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to do that for you, brother. And I always act like they're your friends, whatever. You buy all this money, from them. You buy all these parts from them, all this stuff, whatever, and they can't help you out with that, right? When PACCAR themselves is saying, hey. And at the end of the day, man, it's just, I don't know if it's another California thing. I don't know if it's another thing. Like, I know people are trying to make money. We are too, But I got so down and out yesterday, man. I'm like, dude, we help people. We give people, like, repair information over the phone. Like, hey, what do you think? Whatever. Well, you can't hold us liable, but, you do this, whatever, this and that. I help people all the time, man. People call me from other shops and this and that, whatever. And I'm like, yeah, dude, if I can give you information, why not? I'm not scared of anything. We got our customers. Our customers are loyal. We do whatever, And at the same time, we try to help everybody. That's why we have all the customers we have. But then you have like a big old company like Kenworth, right? Inland Kenworth or whatever. And they're going to be so petty as to like not be able to give you that code, because now they want to charge for it. I think it's like $500 to get a damn code. It's like, bro, that's fine. Like, we did certain things or whatever. I get it, bro. Like, give me that code, like 500. No, now we got to get a guy, one of our guys, put the 2 PCMs, drive it down there, so they can, do the real quick. His technician can do all the whatever hard work that he's making it out to be. And, it's just crazy, man. Like, that these people wouldn't help you out, but it sucks because I'm just trying to figure out a way to not let them win, as far as like, oh, you got to bring it over here. And it's like, dude, there's got to be someone that can help us, all our other vendors. But I can understand our other vendors not giving us that code because we didn't buy it from them, right? Why would we, unless you're, a good sales rep, or a good rep or whatever, that they would give you, that they would just help you out. And who knows, man? And you know what? At the end of the day, if there's an issue, like, give it to us straight, right? Like, look, man, we want to make the money on it, right? We're not going to give these codes anymore, right? Instead of giving you the runaround and all the stuttering that goes on with trying to explain to you how a technician has to, okay, bro, like, fine. So you're going to have a technician just like, so the PCMs come in, right? My PCMs are taken over there. And then you're going to call a technician to go grab a PCM and put in for the code. There's something a service writer might do or something like that, like, well, whatever. It is what it is, man. It's just crazy how petty people are nowadays because, yeah, the economy sucks, dude. Like, it's going crazy, and it'll probably get worse before it gets better, I was on a good one yesterday. I was like, really, you serious? Like, this is all I have to do. I need a password. I bought the software from you, Mr. Sure, that's stuttering. Like, I bought the software from you. I know you can get it, you know? And it's like, that's all I need. And the stroke would probably be gone today. It's just, it is what it is, man. It's, you know, people will be people, greed will be greed.